Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from a Prizepicks to Venmo. Now it's really easy and simple guys. Before we dive into that, it's important to make sure that if you are requesting a withdrawal, you're using the same method you had previously used to deposit funds into your Prizepicks account, okay? So whether you had used Venmo, then to deposit money into that account, then you can use that same Venmo account to withdraw to, okay? Now, what you want to do to request a withdrawal, you want to go ahead here, okay? In the top left corner of the Prize app, what you're going to do is click on this menu icon right here, and then go ahead and click on a request withdrawal, okay? And what's going to happen, guys, you will receive a one-time password, which is an OTP code by email as soon as you request withdrawal, and you don't have to take any further action. They will send you an email to basically confirm whether the withdrawal was successful or not, okay? And then you should see that under your withdrawal history once it was successful, and it should show as complete. Now it's important to note that guys, you need to meet a withdrawal threshold of at least $10, and well, you have to give them at least 24 hours for the withdrawal time frame to process that payment, okay? And you should get the money in your Venmo account. So I hope this video helped you out guys, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn those bell notifications guys so you get notified of the next video, and I'll see you in the next one.